Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is Sushmita. Welcome to my channel. So I always lean towards natural and dewy finish makeup looks. We always do things which all are in our comfort zone, but sometimes we never know if we go out of our comfort zone, we might end up doing something really good. Like this makeup look, like I'm kind of a person who always end up doing natural makeup look and I'm comfortable with that. Natural makeup look, dewy makeup look and all that stuff. But I never knew that, matte makeup look can be so good, you guys. Like, I'm blown away. I'm obsessing over this look. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to start with the primer, and the primer I'm using today is from Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I always use my primer in the center of my face and gently tap it outwards because that is the area where I usually sweat a lot and I have most of my open pores over here. This little primer has a little white tint to it, but I think it's completely fine for me because I'm going to apply foundation on top of it. So yeah, I can work it out. Since this is going to be a matte look, I'm going to apply a matte foundation, and the foundation I'm using today is from Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Matte Foundation. First I'll apply it all over my face with the help of my fingers, and then I will blend it. This way I think it is more easier to apply the foundation evenly, and I'm using a damp sponge to blend it out. Well, this foundation is little too warm for my skin tone, but I think it's okay, we can work it out. Next we will move on to concealer, and the concealer I'm using today is from Swiss Beauty. This is my new favorite. So it blends beautifully, it has a beautiful coverage, and it stays for a long period of time. What else do you want from a concealer? I'm doing a matte look. If I'm not using a good concealer, I might end up having a lot of creases here and there. I don't want that. So for that, I think it's a best option. And next we will set our face. To set my base, I'm going to use K Beauty by Katrina HT Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Olive. First I will set my under eyes as usual. I look up and then set my under eyes. First I will set the areas where I have applied the concealer, then I will set the rest of my face. My face is set. I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be back. And I'm back with my brows on. Next we will move on to my eye makeup. As I mentioned on my title, I'm going to do an all matte brow makeup tutorial. So I'm going to use this palette, which is from Swiss Beauty. It has some beautiful brown, mauve and coffee shades, including some beautiful shimmers in it. I have used it quite a few times. I wanted to try more and more, so I'm going to use this today. So let's get started with my eye makeup. So I'm going to start with this shade over here, which is going to be my transition shade. So I'm applying a very tiny amount and blending it all the way on my crease, and I will slightly deepen it up by adding more colors. So I have applied the brown shade all over my eyelids as a transition shade. Next we will move on to this dark brown over here. I'm going to apply this brown shade all over my lids right now. First I'll pack the color, then I will blend. I'm applying the color only on my lids, not going above my crease line right now. Now I will create a small wing. So this is the desired shape I want. Now I'm gonna blend the edges with a very soft hand. I'm gonna slightly buff the edges and make sure there are no sharp edges. Now I'm going to apply the same brown shade under my lower lashes. And I will buff the edges with the light brown shade. Next, I will do my other eye and I will be back. Okay, so my eye makeup is almost complete. Now I'll add some liner, some mascara, some falsies and etc, etc, etc. You get it. For my eyeliner today, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Line and Design Sketch Eyeliner. So we'll just add a thin liner and a small wing. And for my waterline, I'm going to use a brown liner from Wet n Wild. Like the logo and the initials are absolutely faded because I have used it so many times. For mascara, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Length and Volume mascara. This is actually a new product. As you can see, I'm opening the packet right away in front of you. So this is my new buy, so I thought I would use this in the video. If you want to see a review on this, do let me know in the comment section. I will be glad to do that. Next, I'm gonna go back to my face. I'm gonna apply some bronzer and some blush. Bronzer, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. This is in the shade What Shady Beach. This is a matte bronzer and for this look, it is just perfect. Next up for my blush, I'm going to use a blush from Sugar. This is in the shade Coral Climax. I'll use the same bronzer brush. I'll take a very tiny amount and apply it on my cheekbone. And we'll blend it with the bronzer. Next up for my lips, I'm going to apply this beautiful brown shade from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Coffee. Oh my god, that's such a pretty color. I did not know it will turn out like this. Like I have used it quite a few times, but I don't know, like with this eye makeup, it looks stunning. Next, for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to apply a highlighter which is from Sugar. This is in the shade Champagne Champion. I'm going to take a very tiny amount. Okay, so with that, my makeup is complete. I'm going to set my face with MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Now I will apply some falsies and I will be back. Okay, so that is my final look. Oh my god, I'm kind of obsessing over this matte brown look. What do you guys think? Do let me know that in the comment section down below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. Bye.